Okay, this is the formula sheet for how to figure out lead line length, lead weight spacing, how many mesh per lead, and how to figure lead weights per pound, as well as a conversion table of decimal points to 1/8. And we'll go through this. Okay, this is really pretty easy. What you're going to need is a calculator, a pen, or use your phone to do this easy calculations. First thing we're going to figure out is lead line length. And let's look at the measurements. This was on the seam side of the panel, 250 inches, 249, 251. This was in between the panels, 229, 226, 231. I added them all up, came up with 1436, divided it by 6, gave me 239.333 inches. On the bottom mesh, in one panel, there was 139 meshes times 6 panels, 836 mesh. What we're going to do is figure out the length of lead line that we need to cut. So we take this number, A, 239, we multiply it by pi, 3.1416, go out 4 decimals, 750.8424, which would give you B. You look at this, B. Okay. Then what we do is we take that number, 750.2426, divided by 12 inches, which gives us 62 feet, 0.5702, and we add 3 feet. Well, we'll just round it up to 66 feet. That's your lead line cut that you need to make. Let's go to the next one. How to figure lead weight spacing. So on this, we take B from above and divide by the number of leads. And that's going to give you the spacing. So we take the number of 750.8424 divided by, I'm going to put 150 1.5 ounce leads on this net. It's going to be 15 pounds because there's 10 1.5 ounces in a pound. And so that'll give me the spacing of approximately 5.005616. I'm just going to round it down to 5 inches. So the spacing between the lead is going to be 5 inches. Okay, the next one. How to figure how many mesh per lead when you sew it in. All right, so we calculated from up here, there was 139 times 6, 834 mesh. So we took the 834 mesh, divided it by how many leads I'm going to use, 150, which gives us 5.56 mesh per lead that you'll sew in. I'll just round it up to 6. Okay, so that's 139 times 6 would give you 834 mesh. 834 mesh divided by 150 equals 5.56 mesh per lead. I'm going to round up to 6. Okay, that's pretty easy calculation, right? One thing that you will see, there's a conversion table right here. Sometimes it doesn't work out to even numbers. So if you get these decimal places, it'll give you, as you'll see when we mark the lead line, this will help you out. Okay.